This installation video is going to be for GTs that do not have a bag kit. The helmet lock bracket is going to mount approximately right here. And the only tools you're going to need are going to be a 6mm hex. So the first thing you're going to do is take your bracket and put a bolt through, and then put the spacer on the front. And then you're going to do the same thing with the other hole. And then put it back behind and start threading in the bolts. And now the installation is complete. The installation on the brake side is going to be exactly the same. Take your bracket, put your bolt through, put your spacer on. Same thing for the other hole. And then thread them into the holes behind the passenger foot peg. And now the installation is complete. To operate the helmet lock, put in the key. When you turn it, it'll open up the ring. You can put your helmet lock rings in, turn the key, pull it out, and it's locked on.